It was a sunny long weekend Saturday afternoon in downtown Vancouver as we went to Stadium Station to see some alternate operations on the Expo line. That day, the westbound tracks had to be closed off due to replacement of a switch machine near Waterfront Station. In this video, we will be looking at the operations near Stadium Station. The operations saw trains operate 4 at a time into Stadium Station, with a simultaneous turnaround once the first inbound train arrived at Waterfront. The first train in the pack went from Stadium to Braid to accommodate long-term construction of the new yard. Trains number 2 and number 4 in the cycle went from Granville and Waterfront respectively to King George, while train number 3 served between Burrard and Production Way. Despite all of this, the central section from Main Street to Columbia still achieved an average of 15 trains per hour or every 4 minutes. We head to the Dunsmuir Viaduct to observe a cycle of Mark IIIs on approach to switch DC-10 to Stadium Station. Seen here is train number 476, which will head to Waterfront to become train number 4 in the cycle. Following behind is train 452. This will become train 3 at Burrard Station before heading to production. .464 goes to Granville. It will be number 2 in the cycle to King George. The last in the cycle is 448. This one will lead the cycle out of Stadium Station. After train 476 and shortly until the next cycle, there is a brief moment of no Expo line service in the downtown area west of Main Street. Investments in proactive maintenance are crucial for a high-frequency service like the Expo line, which can serve more than 12,000 people an hour across 27 trains during the evening rush hour downtown. Please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.